Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy cybersecurity with ServiceNow, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy cybersecurity with ServiceNow, start by assessing your organization's specific needs. Identify the cybersecurity challenges your organization faces. Gather input from key stakeholders, including IT, security, and compliance teams. Access your ServiceNow instance and ensure you have the necessary permissions. Navigate to the ServiceNow Security Operations module. Familiarize yourself with the key components: threat intelligence, security incident response, and vulnerability response. Begin with threat intelligence by integrating threat data feeds into your platform. Configure the integration to import relevant threat indicators automatically. Set up automated alerts for new threats that could impact your organization. Next, configure security incident response to streamline incident handling. Define incident categorization and prioritization criteria based on your organization's risk appetite. Create workflows for incident management that detail roles and responsibilities. Utilize ServiceNow's playbooks for standardized incident response procedures. Move on to vulnerability response by integrating your vulnerability scanning tools. Import scan results into ServiceNow to centralize vulnerability management. Establish workflows for assessing, prioritizing, and remediating vulnerabilities. Use the platform's reporting tools to generate visibility into your security posture. Continuously monitor threat intelligence and adjust your security strategies accordingly. Regularly review and update your incident response and vulnerability management procedures. Leverage ServiceNow's analytics features to track performance metrics. Educate staff on the new processes and how to use ServiceNow effectively. Conduct regular training sessions to ensure all teams are aligned with security protocols. Finally, implement feedback loops to refine your cybersecurity deployment over time. Review your cybersecurity deployment regularly for potential improvements. By following these steps, you will establish a robust cybersecurity framework via ServiceNow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.